Good morning. Today we're in Sarasota, Florida at Myakka River State Park. And here you see the Myakka's famous Canopy Bridge. Up here you can see the Canopy's tower and footbridge where you can get an aerial view of Myakka's forest. And here along the nature trail you can get a good view of the trees and the palmettos that make Myakka State Park what it is. Myakka is home to alligators, and visitors must be alert to poisonous snakes in the area, including water moccasins. The downed trees you see are a result of Hurricane Helene's and Milton's destructive forces in 2024. Here you get Myakka's beautiful palmetto trees and foliage, and some trees that have been down a while. And on this sign you see here are the methods that people used to access the Canopy walk before it was built. Canopy access methods. And all the different ways that hikers and builders access the Canopy. Myakka has several different nature trails available to visitors, including hikers and bikers. Along the trail, there are also signs indicating the names of the species of the foliage and the flora, including the palm trees. And it includes a nature trail, several nature trails. And it also has canoe rentals for visitors who want to use their canoes. For nature lovers all over, I highly recommend Myakka River State Park. It is a mecca for visitors to experience all of Mother Nature's wonders.